So I was just talking to the junior ninja over here. He's actually not a junior ninja anymore. He's a tall ninja. But anyway, he's been to, okay, so Disneyland last week was his first time like in a park that wasn't the Halloween party for a while. But he had been to Disneyland. He had seen Disneyland. We just realized that he hasn't seen California Adventure
since I was small.
Since he was like little, you guys. Since like, I don't know what, 10?
Maybe.
Yeah?
6 years.
At least that. So you don't know, that used to be, okay, that's the Frozen show now, son.
Okay.
They don't do,
I want Aladdin back already.
they don't do Aladdin.
I want it back.
And now, because he asked, he says, I still haven't been on Mission Breakout, so that's why we're here. We're gonna get a high five from this cast member right here. Good morning, all right. Thank you for having us. You've been on Tower of Terror.
Yeah. That was the last time
But you've never been on Mission Breakout. He says, I want to ride Mission Breakout.
I see it.
There it is.
I see it.
Do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
That's the building right there. Hi, guys. Now, Tristan, I have to tell you that although the ride is pretty much the same, it is different.
Wow, what a sentence.
No, I mean like the drops and stuff are different.
Well, they are?
Yeah. Here, look, there's what used to be Bugs Land. Wait, what? What?
I didn't see that coming.
Remember when there was trees there, son?
Yeah.
He's never seen that. Yeah, so they've leveled that, but you can't really see anything going on the ground down there. This is where you go to get all of your retro 80s merchandise back here in this corner. Oh, they move things around a bit. What is that?
I don't recognize it.
Looks like Iron Man. You ever seen one of these?
My God. Wow.
I used to have those. Like, I played with those unironically. You know what I mean?
I don't think you really play with them.
Well, I mean, I use them unironically. Boy says he wants one of these watches. These $375 watches. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll get you the Captain America watch, but not Captain Marvel watch.
I wouldn't want that one anymore.
Because it costs $50 more.
I want the Avengers.
Why do you want to watch anyway?
And I can tell the time.
I know what time it is.
I have friends that still struggle to read a clock.
It's 8:50. There, we're done. Hey, let's go over here. They don't know how to read like the hands on a clock.
They struggle with like what's what, I guess. I don't know.
Big hand, little hand? Well, sure, because their phones just say the number.
Yeah,
But you guys still have analog clocks in school, right? Yeah, with the hands. Yeah, they still have those, right? Hey, do you want to build a gauntlet, son? Okay, so this is, you put this on your hand, like that, and then you add little pieces, little Iron Man or Captain America themed pieces. I've done this once before. It's terrible.
Yeah,
it
looks terrible.
It's the cheesiest, weakest thing, right? It doesn't look half bad on the shelf, but it's super cheap and weak. It's not cool.
I'd rather build a droid.
It looks like it would be fun, but it's just not. You want to go ride Mission Breakout? We stopped in here because we're trying to wait for our fast pass to be active. What about a Spider-Man Jeep
Used to look so cool to me.
Why does Spider-Man have a dune buggy?
He likes off-road.
Is he a big off-roader? Look at, he does look like he's really having fun in that picture.
Car talk.
Why is the car? What did he say? I didn't hear it.
I don't know. I can't hear everything.
I can't hear it over this copyrighted music that's probably gonna block our video.
Love it. Good morning.
That's the only drag about going fast pass is that you don't get to go through the queue.
All the way inside of Terranceville and all around the middle of the space pretty much.
Now that's not Mjolnir. Ooh, it's... Ooh. I don't know what it is.
Attention! Raise your hands now for security bias. Once in system. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tanner Bond's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ow! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Huh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Tustin. The Matterhorn Yeti, yeah. So where we are is a place called this is the Collector's Fortress, or like a museum. The guy that we saw at the beginning from Guardians of the Galaxy, he collects things. One of, you know, that's part of his collection.
Matterhorn and
the old Matterhorn Yeti, yeah. There's a lot of little, like that's what was all in the main lobby out there that we didn't get to see. In the lobby was a lot of his collection, and there's a lot of Easter egg type stuff out there too. Yeah, we got to go in here.
I'm doing this! I'm doing this!
This is the moment I've been waiting for.
When Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll. Okay, I got
bouncing. Just like an earthquake. Oh god. You're not dead. When I said it's the same but different, you get what I mean now, right?
Yeah.
Because there's like twice as many drops. They don't mess around at all.
Yeah.
You get in there, you get in, and they drop you, or they raise you actually. But
Just go straight to it.
Tower of Terror, there's only like 3 drops, maybe.
3 good ones.
Yeah, right. But now there's 7, 8. I don't know. What'd you think?
I'd rather have Tower of Terror.
You'd still rather have Tower of Terror, really?
Yeah.
All right. But it's fun. I like that ride. It's fun. But it does. You got a little queasy.
Yeah.
I always do. I always get queasy every time because I'm a lightweight when it comes to this kind of thing. We are now entering the random Marvel soundtrack section of Hollywood Boulevard.
I'm sure this is how Hollywood is.
Yeah, it's just like Hollywood. If Ian were here, he would tell you what movie this is from. What scene, actually.
Yeah.